Off he goes. I better give myself a drink. I'm starting to get thirsty now. Well, I won't. That's the only thing that day when someone give me a weird thing. Yeah, let's follow it then. It's like always the easy way when you follow the engine. Makes it worth it, doesn't it? Got it. Come on, woman, stretch your legs. That's it. Let's give him a wave. My ultimate hat to you all. Well, this is certainly a good day out. And an excellent workout too. And I had to you all. Always still like that. Get early here, mate. Well, let's go and get the drink in a minute. Oh. Well, that was an interesting stop. Oh, looks like we've got a good opportunity to have the engine back up again. Well, diesel taking over a bit. Ooh, that doesn't look pretty good. I wonder how the bears can learn better if they did play cursed stuff.